Powder versus liquid detergent, the laundry room rivalry that's been bubbling for years. But, which one is really better? Today on Consumer's Choice Top 5, we're breaking down the facts to help you choose the best detergent for your clothes, your wallet, and your machine. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more product breakdowns and top 5 reviews, and comment below. Are you team powder or team liquid? Let's start with the big one. Which detergent actually cleans better? This is a question that has puzzled many of us as we stand in the laundry aisle, staring at the myriad of options available. Should you go for the classic powder detergent or the more modern liquid detergent? Each has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and today, we're going to break it all down for you. Well, it turns out, both have their strengths. It's not a one-size-fits-all answer, and the best choice often depends on your specific laundry needs and the types of stains you're dealing with. Powder detergent contains more alkaline cleaning agents like surfactants and bleach, which excel at lifting tough stains such as mud, grass, and blood. These ingredients are particularly effective at breaking down and removing these stubborn stains, making powder detergent a great choice for heavily soiled clothes. These detergents perform best in warm or hot water, making them a powerhouse for deep cleaning. The heat helps to activate the cleaning agents, allowing them to work more effectively. So, if you have a load of whites or heavily stained items, powder detergent in a hot water cycle is often the way to go. On the other hand, liquid detergent dissolves more easily in cold water and is better at treating oil-based stains like makeup, grease, and food. The liquid form allows it to penetrate fabrics more easily, making it highly effective for these types of stains. Plus, it's less likely to leave any residue on your clothes, which can sometimes be an issue with powder detergents. So, if you're someone who often deals with these types of stains, liquid might be your go-to. It's also a great option for those who prefer to wash their clothes in cold water, either to save on energy costs or to protect delicate fabrics. Verdict: liquid wins for cold water washes and oily stains. It's versatile and convenient, especially for everyday laundry needs. Whether you're washing a load of gym clothes or your favorite delicate blouse, liquid detergent can handle it all with ease. While powder wins for deep cleaning in warm or hot cycles and whites. It's the go-to choice for those tough laundry days when you need that extra cleaning power. From bed linens to work uniforms, powder detergent can tackle the most challenging loads. It really depends on your laundry needs and the types of stains you usually encounter. By understanding the strengths of each type of detergent, you can make a more informed choice and ensure that your clothes come out looking their best every time. So next time you're in the laundry aisle, you'll know exactly which detergent to reach for. Next up, cost and value. When it comes to doing laundry, the price of detergent can add up quickly. But how do you determine which type of detergent gives you the best value for your money? Let's break it down. How much are you really spending per wash? This is a crucial question for anyone looking to save money on household expenses. The cost per wash can vary significantly depending on the type of detergent you use. Powder detergent is generally cheaper per load. This is because it is less expensive to produce and package. Additionally, powder detergent often comes in larger quantities, which can further reduce the cost per wash, and has a longer shelf life. This means you can buy it in bulk without worrying about it going bad. A longer shelf life also means fewer trips to the store, saving you both time and money. You can buy it in bulk, which lowers the long-term cost significantly. Bulk buying is a great strategy for families or anyone who does a lot of laundry. The savings can really add up over time. Liquid detergent, while more convenient, often comes at a higher price per ounce. The convenience of liquid detergent is undeniable. It's easy to pour and dissolves quickly in water. However, this convenience comes at a cost. It's also easier to overuse since people tend to pour too much, leading to waste. Overpouring not only wastes detergent but also increases the cost per wash. This is a common issue with liquid detergents, leading to higher costs over time. If you're not careful, the cost of using liquid detergent can quickly surpass that of powder detergent, making it a less economical choice in the long run. Verdict: powder gives you better bang for your buck. When you consider the cost per wash, shelf life, and the ability to buy in bulk, powder detergent clearly comes out on top. If you're budget conscious and looking for a long-term solution, powder is the way to go. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have the peace of mind knowing you're making a cost-effective choice for your household. What about your washing machine? Does it care what you use? The answer is yes, kind of. Different types of detergents can have varying effects on your washing machine's performance and longevity. Understanding these differences can help you make a more informed choice and keep your machine running smoothly for years to come. Powder detergent may leave residue in cold washes or HE machines if not fully dissolved. This residue can stick to your clothes, making them look dull and feel stiff. Over time, this buildup can also affect the internal components of your washing machine, leading to potential malfunctions or the need for more frequent maintenance. It can also clog dispenser drawers over time. When powder detergent doesn't dissolve completely, it can accumulate in the detergent drawer, creating a thick, sticky mess. This buildup can restrict the flow of water and detergent into the drum, reducing the effectiveness of your washes and potentially causing damage to the machine. Liquid detergent dissolves faster, especially in high-efficiency washers, and is easier to measure and load directly into the drum. This quick dissolution ensures that the detergent is evenly distributed throughout the wash, providing a more thorough clean. Additionally, liquid detergent is less likely to leave behind any residue, keeping both your clothes and your machine in better condition. This makes it a more machine-friendly option. Liquid detergent's ease of use and compatibility with various washing machine types make it a popular choice among consumers. Its ability to work well in both standard and high-efficiency machines means you can rely on it for consistent results, regardless of your washer model. Tip: always check your washer manual. Your washing machine's manual contains valuable information about the types of detergents that are best suited for your specific model. Following these guidelines can help you avoid potential issues and ensure that your machine operates at its best. Some machines are optimized for one type. For example, high-efficiency washers are designed to work best with low-sudsing, high-efficiency detergents. Using the wrong type of detergent can lead to excessive suds, which can interfere with the machine's operation and even cause damage over time. Verdict: liquid is generally more machine-friendly, so if you have a high-efficiency washer, liquid might be the better choice. By choosing the right detergent for your machine, you can enhance its performance, extend its lifespan, and enjoy cleaner, fresher clothes with every wash. Now let's talk green. Which detergent is better for the planet? Powder detergent often comes in cardboard boxes, which are recyclable and typically uses less water in production. This makes it a more eco-friendly choice. Liquid detergent, on the other hand, is usually packaged in plastic jugs, which are less environmentally friendly. Additionally, liquid detergents are heavier to transport, leading to a higher carbon footprint. Verdict: powder is the eco-friendlier choice overall. If you're looking to reduce your environmental impact, powder detergent is the way to go. Let's be real, convenience matters, especially if you're doing laundry for a family of 5. Powder detergent often comes in bulk boxes that can be heavy and awkward to store. They can also be messy if spilled or not sealed well. Liquid detergent, however, comes in easy pour bottles that are portable, neat, and great for pre-treating stains. This makes liquid detergent a more user-friendly and convenient option. Verdict: liquid is more user-friendly and convenient. If ease of use and storage are important to you, liquid detergent is the better choice. Okay, time for the final scorecard. Which detergent should you use? If you want deep cleaning for whites, eco-friendly packaging, budget value, choose powder. If you want cold wash performance, ease of use, stain targeting, choose liquid. Bonus tip: some people use both, powder for large loads and liquid for pre-treating or delicates. This way you get the best of both worlds and can tackle any laundry challenge that comes your way. Gap 3S. Let's dive deeper into the science behind detergents. How do they work on a molecular level? Detergents contain surfactants, which are molecules that have a hydrophilic, water-attracting head and a hydrophobic, water-repelling tail. When you add detergent to water, the surfactants surround the dirt and oil particles, breaking them down and allowing them to be washed away. This process is called emulsification. Understanding this can help you choose the right detergent for different types of stains and fabrics. Whether you're dealing with greasy food stains or everyday dirt, knowing how detergents work can make a significant difference in your laundry results. Gap 3S. Now, let's talk about the history of detergents. Did you know that the first synthetic detergents were developed during World War I? Before that, people used soap made from animal fats and plant oils. The development of synthetic detergents revolutionized the laundry industry, making it easier to clean clothes and other fabrics. Today we have a wide variety of detergents to choose from, each with its own unique properties and benefits. Now let's explore some common myths about detergents. Myth 1. More detergent means cleaner clothes. This is not true. Using too much detergent can actually leave residue on your clothes and in your washing machine. Myth 2. All detergents are the same. Different detergents are formulated for different types of stains and fabrics. It's important to choose the right one for your needs. Myth 3. You need hot water to clean clothes. While hot water can help with certain stains, many modern detergents are designed to work well in cold water. Finally, let's look at some tips for using detergent effectively. Tip 1. Always measure your detergent. Using the right amount can help you get the best results and save money. Tip 2. Pre-treat stains before washing. This can help remove tough stains more effectively. Tip 3. Choose the right cycle for your laundry. Different cycles are designed for different types of fabrics and stains. By following these tips, you can get the most out of your detergent and keep your clothes looking their best. What do you use and why? Drop your opinion in the comments. Let's settle this once and for all. Are you Hash Team Powder or Hash Team Liquid? Like, if you learned something today, subscribe to Consumer's Choice Top 5 for more trusted product reviews. Share this video with someone who always buys the wrong detergent. This has been Consumer's Choice Top 5, your go-to for smart shopping and trusted reviews.